Hi, it's Hannah with WTI, and here in this bag is the most important thing you can have for your next gathering. This is a food warming mat by LBOLHZO. This thing makes keeping your food warm a piece of cake, and you have such good peace of mind that your food, one, is going to taste good because it's going to be hot, but also you know that it will stay above that danger zone so your food will be nice and healthy for your guests as well. This one is 36 by 16 inches and it easily holds 3 whole casserole dishes. I was blown away with this for our recent event where I had to keep several things warm, and it really did a tremendous job. You can't see it in this video, but when I scooped up this rice, all this steam came out, and it made me feel so good to know, even though I had to bring my food several hours prior to the event, that when I served it to my guests, it was still piping hot. It comes in a really nice carrying case, so it's easy to store when you're not using it, and it's very easy to clean. You can just wipe it off. It goes up to 212 degrees, so I was worried, what would that do to underneath? Would it melt my plastic tablecloth? And it did not. And this by far is way easier than any previous methods I have ever used. It keeps everything at an even temperature because the entire mat is hot. Go ahead and order one because every time you have an event where you have food, you are going to want to pull this thing out. But that's just my point of view.